Hi guys, Shane here, and today we're having a brief episode of trains out here at Metheringham on the Redwing Line. So you'll be seeing services by Eastlands Trades and Dutch Bahn Schenker. I know I said my next station would be Doncaster, but due to scheduling issues, I've decided to come back here, plus we were in the area anyway. So, yeah, you'll only be seeing 2 trains in this episode, so it's not that good. But, one thing to point out, I've kind of updated all these things here. Which is very nice. And that doesn't work. And then there's one rail card poster. But one thing I don't get is to why that car stop over there is the way it is. It's kind of annoying, because the trains can't see it. Down there is the tamper siding and the points for if trains ever need to terminate. And yeah, that's about it, so I'll see you when the train comes. Crossing's off down. Now, because this train can get a bit windy, I'm going to go put my blooming hat in the blooming car. Just putting my hat in here, because this train can get windy. Sort out my hair. Sorry you guys had to see that. It wasn't really needed. I noticed this station in Ruskington actually got some similarities. I think this is for the Biggleswade Heck train. Plasma. Because there's 2 trains in the proximity of well, this one's running 7 minutes early, so because there's 2 close by each other, because we'd stop here and get it. I had to turn on mobile data to get it, so, but mind you, but still. I heard something. Can't see any sheds yet. Also, this yellow line needs repainting. Like, soon. Here's a shed. Time to get back. Like, a lot. Not yet, wait for it to come a bit closer. The one we called an entire wuss. Oh god. This other one better not come quickly. Oh, that's green. Anyway, let's get back. Freight train up.
Don't get too close to this one.
Jesus. That last one was definitely a 66. I have no idea where it was going. Oh no, I knew where it was going, I just didn't know the numbers. Anyway, coming in now is your 1613 Eastman's train service from Northgate to Peterborough. London 153326. But Jesus Christ. I'm going to have to blow you off the station. What goes down there is, of course, the old foot crossing. And there is the old signal box, which is no longer in use, as this is an automatic crossing. But anyway, this should be going soon. Okay, the doors are closed and 1613 to Peterborough is off, which is of course 153326. I say of course like it's always on this service, when it isn't. Anyway, she departs. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated, even though it's not at all, it's not your normal episode, but that freight train just blew all the butterflies off the shelter. But anyway, hopefully I'll see you in the next episode, which probably will be from Doncaster. I just can never keep track of my schedule anymore. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.